Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 2nd of December, the Christmas tree has been put up and that means we are unboxing day number 2 on the LookFantastic advent calendar. So without waffling on anymore, let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're looking for day number 2. There's this little box down here. And it's not wrapped up. So this is a Luxie makeup brush from luxiebeauty.com. It's very fluffy looking. It looks like it would be a good brush to put on some highlight. It's a little bit bent after being squashed into the box, but I'm sure over time that it will straighten itself out. It's got a really nice handle to it, lovely text. It is a Luxie 522 tapered highlighter. I don't think you'll be able to see that because it's gold on pink. I struggled having to look through it. It feels really soft. I assume that it is a synthetic brush. There are no information cards in the LookFantastic advent calendar this year. I'm not sure if it's just mine or if it's everybody else's. Last year they provided a lot of insightful information into the products. This year, for the past now 2 days, we haven't had any extra information about the products, so we just have to do our own additional research. But this isn't bad for a product in a beauty advent calendar. I always welcome new makeup brushes. The more I have, the less I have to clean. This is the Luxie 522 tapered highlight brush. This came in day number 2 from the LookFantastic advent calendar. The advent calendar, as I said yesterday, was gifted to me with no obligation to post by LookFantastic, and I'm super grateful. I will leave the link down below to Luxie so that we can all have a good look at what they're about. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you tomorrow for the 3rd of December. Bye!